Hello guys, this is Nitin Pawar. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, I shown you how you can create your first pipeline where you have created the data set and you have run the pipeline to copy the data from source to target. In this video, we'll learn about how you can create a triggers, what different types are available over there. So when you go to your pipeline, here you can see that there is an add trigger. Click on that add trigger, click on the new edit, click on the new. Now here you can see that there are different types of triggers. One is schedule trigger, tumbling window, storage event, and custom events. So we'll go one by one. So firstly, we'll cover what is schedule trigger. Schedule trigger is something which you want to schedule at some particular times. Like if you want this pipeline to run every hour or every half an hour or every 4 hours in a day, that you can schedule using your schedule trigger. So provide your name, like I'll say schedule trigger, type my schedule trigger, start date. So from which date the trigger should get started. So by default is taking the system time. I won't be bothered about it, but when you want on the specific start date, suppose from tomorrow, if I want this to be run, then I can provide from tomorrow's date. The time also, click on the OK. You can select the time zone. Currently it's UTC. You can provide the different time zone if you want as per your project specification. The recurrence is in every, like I mentioned previously, like every 15 minutes or every half an hour or every hour, this pipeline should get triggered and run automatically. That you can provide over here. Like every 15 minutes, here you can change the hours to days. In every 15 days, if you want that pipeline to be runs, then you can provide that. Or every 15 minutes, if you want to occur that pipeline, you can change that parameters from here. And then click on the OK. So it's a new trigger. Make sure to publish the trigger to be activated after clicking OK. So I'm clicking OK. Now the trigger is created, but it not published. So click on the publish. Now click publish. Now our trigger is getting published. Now you can see that the trigger is published successfully. Now where you can check that? So if you go to your manage, here you can see that there are different types of tabs available for you. In the author, you can, if you go to the trigger, now you can see that here our schedule triggered is published and it started. But when it will get started, as per we mentioned in that particular trigger, if you click over here, you can see that every 15 minutes from tomorrow 10:34 a.m. After that, every 15 minutes, this trigger will automatically get triggered and your pipeline will be run successfully. So this is how you'll create your trigger, schedule trigger. In my next video, I'll show you how you can create your tumbling window trigger. If you have any questions on this, do let me know. Thank you so much.